and welcome back in Learn Python 3 with Atif Masih series.
In this video, we are going to discuss about Python variable scope. In previous video, we have discussed about Python function, and in function we can create different types of variable. Now we will discuss scope of variable. What does it mean by scope of variable? A variable is only available from inside the region it is created. This is called scope. It means we can say that we have a function and within function we created a variable, and we can't access this variable outside the function in which it is created. Now we will see the different types of scope variable. It has two types: local variable and global variable. Now we will discuss local variable scope. A variable created inside a function belongs to the local scope of that function and can only be used inside that function. It means when we created a function and inside the function we created a variable, and we can't access this variable outside the function. And see here example of local variable scope. We have a function myfunc, and see here inside the function we have a variable x that is equal to 300, and when I call this function it returns 300. But when I want to access this function outside the scope of, now we will discuss what happens when we access the variable of one function from another function. And see here I have a function myfunc, and inside the function I have created a variable which is x, and then printed the x inside the function. And see here then I call the function, and next I created a second function which is display, and then I use the x which is a variable of myfunc function. And see here the result. First function return 300, and when I call second function display it returns a message. Name x is not defined because we want to access x, that is a variable of myfunc. That's why it returns error message. Now we will see another concept. If we use value of a function inside the function present variable value, now we will discuss very important concept. If we have a function within function, then we can use the value of local variable. And see here I have a function myfunc, and inside myfunc I have a display function, and then also I call this function inside the myfunc. See here now we can access value of x inside the function, and see here it returns 300. Now we will discuss global variable scope. When we created a variable outside the all function, and we can access this variable in our whole program. We can access global variable in each function. A variable created in the main body of Python code is global variable and belongs to global scope. We can say that each function present in the main body of Python code can access the global variable. And see here the example code. We have a variable x which is equal to 300, and we have two functions, myfunc and myfunc1. And see here, in first function I simply print the value of global variable, and in second I added 1 inside the variable and then stored in x1 and then printed the value of x1. And see here, value of x after first function, because in first function I just printed the value of x, and value of x after second function, because in second function I just add 1 in the value of x. That's why it printed 301. And next very important point, what happens when we give same name to local and global variables? If we operate with same variable name inside and outside the function, we can say that if we have same name for local and global variable, Python will treat them as two separate variable. And see here in example, I have a variable which is global and equal to 300, and then see here I have a function, and inside the function I created x again which is equal to 200, and then printed the value of x inside the function and then call the function. And after calling this function I just printed the value of x, and see what happened. And see here, value of local variable 200, because inside the function I given 200 to x, that's why it printed the 200. And after the execution of function, see here the value of global variable which is 300. We can create a global variable inside the function with the use of global keyword. And see here in this example I haven't created global variable outside the function, and see here inside the function with global keyword I created a variable x and then assign a value to x equal to 300, and then printed the value inside the function and also outside the function. And see what happened, both have same value. And see here, with the help of global keyword we can change the value of global variable. And see here we have global variable x which is equal to 300, and see here in function I created variable x again and assigning a value 200, and then printed the value of x inside the function and outside the function. And see here what happened, it printed 200 inside the function and also outside the function, because the value of global variable has been changed. In this video, we have learned about Python variable scope. If you want to learn more about Python, please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get notified when I add a new video on my channel. Thank
Stay
you so
tuned.
much
We'll
for
be
watching
right
my
back.
videos.